Today, we'll take you behind the scenes to see how this facility processes and packages fresh salmon for distribution around the world. So sit back and relax as we show you what it takes to bring this delicious fish to your plate. Live salmon is brought from the feeding pen to the waiting pen by wellboats. Then they are transported into the processing plant, where they stun the fish before slaughtering them as quickly as possible to ensure the minimum amount of stress. Marel has built their reputation on innovating, developing and supplying high-quality products and services to food processing companies across the globe. Their state-of-the-art equipment and systems help food processors of all sizes and all markets to run at peak productivity. The fish is slid into the preloader at the in-feed station with one hand and dropped into the carrier. To assist the operator, a screen shows the accuracy of the fish's position, enabling the operator to adjust the fish's placement and optimize the performance. The Salmon Deheader enables efficient and accurate deheading with a maximum yield on every fish. The fish is measured before each of the cuts, neck, shoulder and tail, to achieve the best cutting result. Before the V-cut, a vision camera registers the head's position, and the knives are automatically positioned to make the best cut along the collarbone. The deheaded fish is then transferred directly from the deheader to the fillet machine, eliminating the need for manual infeed into the fillet machine, ensuring a more consistent infeed and improving the flow of the line. The advanced filleting machine is designed for high-level performance in processing pre- and post-Riga salmon and trout from 1.5 to 10 kilograms, providing processors with improved throughput, quality, yield, and uptime. The multilingual user-friendly touchscreen helps to ensure maximum safety for the operator, who can easily make adjustments and change programs. Each fish is accurately measured to ensure optimal yield. Back and belly are cut according to the trimming program selected, minimizing the need for manual trimming and unnecessary waste. When processing salmon, it's vital to remove impurities in the early stages to ensure low bacteria counts later in production. Marel makes this desliming process quick and efficient, leaving fish thoroughly rinsed and ready for processing. With water-saving technology and a built-in cleaning program, the deslimers help to easily and sustainably achieve exceptional hygiene. After the rinsing and desliming process is complete, the fish is ready for filleting. In this part of the factory, we see a manual infeed machine, which continues to process the fish. Trimming methods vary from one factory or another depending on factors such as throughput, labor costs, and traceability requirements. Here we can see skilled laborers processing the salmon and can seamlessly integrate with automated processes down the line. Lines are ergonomically designed with the option of an adjustable height working platform. All of Marel's trimming lines comply with all of the most stringent industry requirements. The key objective with pin bone removal is to take out as many bones as possible without damaging the structure of the meat while achieving maximum possible yield. These pin bone removers treat the salmon very gently. The fish is moved to the pin bone head on a conveyor belt, head first and skin side down. The salmon is gently held in place on the conveyor while the pin bones are removed, ensuring minimum waste. The pin bone removers are specifically designed to adjust to the structure, size, and shape of each individual slice to produce end products of particularly high quality. These conventional pin bone removers are renowned for their proven reliability in removing bones and leaving the fish intact. This results in improved yield and high-quality fish, with the best pin boning quality often achieved at a speed of up to 4 to 5 meters per minute. The I-Cut 36 portion cutter is used for portioning of the salmon. The product is placed on the in-feed conveyor, moving with the speed of up to 500 millimeters per second. Passing the laser scanner, the product cross-section area is measured at regular intervals. The information is processed and cut positions calculated according to precise specifications and application characteristics to obtain optimal weight and length of the portions. As each cutting point passes the knife section, the blade knife is accelerated, rapidly cutting through the product at a very high speed. The cut salmon continues along the outlet conveyor and on to the next step. The machine's laser and mirror vision system, as well as the processing software, provides superior flexibility and efficiency, while guaranteeing accuracy and optimum usage of raw materials with minimal giveaway. This allows the portion cutter to process up to 4,000 kilograms of fish per hour. The fillets are then packed into boxes and labeled with the appropriate information such as the catch date and weight. Finally, the packages are packed with ice, sealed, and are then ready for shipment. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the salmon processing plant. We hope you gained valuable insight into the fascinating world of seafood processing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content.